How often do you dream or aspire? Why do you dream of? Why do people struggle to act upon their dreams? Is it fear of failure? Insecurity in their abilities? You are all questions with answer today. I have never heard of anyone dreaming of failure or aspiring to be unsuccessful. Failure doesn't play any part in dreaming. It is the dreamer that instills failure, not the dream. I have read of many very successful dreamers that failed numerous times before they experienced success. The difference is that failure was not going to end their dreams, only motivate them to dream bigger. Many of you fail to seek your purpose in life, and you should. You dream and then follow it up with a list of all the reasons why the dream is unachievable. You fill your life with excuses, and I can't. Many great companies were conceived from a dream. Why not you? Why not your dream? The only true limits your experience in life are those you create or those you allow others to impose upon you. If you can dream it, you can do it. Sometimes when we read the words of those who've been more than conquerors, we feel almost disappointed. I feel that I shall never be like that, but they won through step by little bits of wills. No one sees these little hidden steps, they only see the accomplishments. But even so, those small steps were taken. There is no sudden triumph, no spiritual maturity. That is the work of the moment. Dreaming is the easy part, acting on the dream is harder. Recognize that a dream is a journey, not the simplest level. It takes commitment, time, desire, and courage, but really is something great easily realized. Let me tell you a story. One day a son came to his father for an advice. Dad, I can't do this anymore, he said. Those lessons only exhaust me and the result doesn't change. It must be not destined for me to play football and my dream will never come true. The father looked at his son with loving eyes and said, You know, son, every person in life has a dream, a goal of his life. They are the one that makes us to do what we are doing because it's what we should do. We have to fight for what we believe in, what we feel. In other case, you will simply break once and for all. The easiest way is to quit everything and not to go until the end. Because the path is difficult and we are not used to inconvenience. We want everything to be easy and at once, but the wishes are fleeting. This is how our dream dies and the goal becomes unreachable. Gradually, life becomes a routine without depth and meaning. The one day, we try to forget and start everything from the beginning. We wait for a new day to make our life different, but new obstacles come in our way and we stop again. We become full of despair and anger of our own helplessness. But you only need to remember one thing. Never give up. Fight. Battle. It doesn't matter that you have lost one battle and even dozen of battles. Life goes on. Your biggest enemies are hiding in you. Laziness, fear, doubt, indecision. Be a warrior of your dream, a knight of your goal and a soldier of your wishes. Remember one thing, my friend, those who are watching this video. Never stop dreaming. If you stop dreaming, you will not be successful. Take care. Goodbye.